Here come Arsenal, takes a little ricochet as far as Martinelli, it's in! Gabriel Martinelli slides home, a fabulous strike, kept going, unstoppable, and Martinelli fires home his 14th of the season, and it's Liverpool 0, Arsenal 1. Clever ball downfield, once again to Gabriel Martinelli, looking for Jesus! Pinpoints perfection from the Premier League leaders. Scintillating cross. Give this man a call when you need a goal. It's Jesus' second since his return from injury. Arsenal in cruise control. Liverpool 0, Arsenal 2. Liverpool back on the attack here though. It's good play. And Mo Salah does fire it home. Salah continues his excellent scoring run against Arsenal. And it's Mo's 24th of the season in all competitions. Maybe a little bit of fortune the way it pinged around. Decent delivery. Gabriel's up there trying to get it clear. Penalty kick given. Rob Holding arguing his case, saying that he did nothing wrong. Mo Salah up against Aaron Ramsdale. Critical moment this. Wow. Good play from Alexander-Arnold, beats Zinchenko, puts in a good cross! And Roberto Firmino sees it home. Good skill by Liverpool down that right-hand side. Arsenal have been clinging on for large chunks of this second 45. Alexander-Arnold back to Salah again! Oh, what a save from Ramsdale. You absolute beauty. That looked for all the world like it was going into the far corner.